Let's begin our exploration of alphabets and strings, which form the foundational concepts for understanding formal language theory and computation. We will uncover the formal definitions and operations associated with them. Let's define what an alphabet is. An alphabet, denoted by the Greek letter sigma, is a finite, non-empty set of symbols or characters. Here are some examples of alphabets. Sigma 1 is equal to the set containing 0 and 1. This alphabet is commonly used in binary systems. Sigma 2 is equal to the set containing A, B, and C, representing a set of letters. Sigma 3 is equal to the set containing alpha, beta, and gamma, representing a set of Greek letters. Now let's discuss strings. A string is a finite sequence of symbols from an alphabet sigma. Consider these examples. W1 is equal to the string 101, which is a sequence of symbols from the alphabet sigma 1 equals 0, 1. W2 is equal to the string ABC, which is a sequence of symbols from the alphabet sigma 2 equals ABC. Lastly, W3 is equal to the string hello, which is a sequence of symbols from the standard English alphabet. Let's learn about the length of a string and the concept of an empty string. The length of a string, denoted as vertical bar W vertical bar, is the number of symbols in the string. For example, the length of the string ABC is 3, and the length of the string 101 is also 3. Now let's define the empty string. The empty string, often denoted by the Greek letter epsilon, is a string with no symbols. Therefore, the length of the empty string is 0. String concatenation is an operation that joins two strings end-to-end to form a new string. For example, if W1 is equal to the string ABC, and W2 is equal to the string DF, then W1 concatenated with W2, denoted as W1 circle W2, is equal to the string ABCDEF. Let's explore the concepts of prefixes and suffixes. A prefix of a string is an initial substring of that string. For example, if W is equal to the string HELLO, then some prefixes of W include H, HE, and HEL. A suffix of a string is a final substring of that string. Using the same example, if W is equal to the string HELLO, then some suffixes of W include OLO and LLO. Now let's define what a substring is. A substring is any contiguous sequence of characters within a string. For instance, if W is equal to the string PROGRAMMING, then some substrings of W include PRO, GRAM, and ING. String reversal involves writing the characters of a string in reverse order. The reversal of a string W is denoted as W to the power of R. For example, if W is equal to ABC, then W to the power of R is equal to CBA. Similarly, if W is equal to HELLO, then W to the power of R is equal to OLLEH. Let's discuss string equality and lexicographic order. String equality means that two strings have the same length and identical characters in the same order. For example, ABC is equal to ABC, but ABC is not equal to BSC. Lexicographic order refers to dictionary-style alphabetical ordering. For example, ABC is less than ABD, and CAT is less than DOG. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.